Hi, you are welcome to my channel of Smart Polished. Today in this section of video, I will discuss about the graphics. Graphics is a very important things in machine learning data science as well as Python in R to visualize the data and to get the idea from the visualized data. So we can say that graphics is a great strength of R. The graphics package is the part of standard distributions and many useful functions for creating a variety of graphics display. So suppose we want to plot a data. So there is only one function is used. This is called plot in R. This is very simple. Within the first bracket, you will put the data. So it will be plot. So let's do and start the graphics plot. So suppose I want to take the data from car93 data sets. So I want to plot the data and want to look how it is. So for that reasons, I will first take the plot function. Plot in the plot functions, car93 data I'm taking. In the car93 data, I'm taking 4:5. Okay, for all the rows and for column 4 and 5, I'm taking by here, and I'm giving the name main. I mean, name of the graph will be mean price versus price. Sorry, mean price versus max price. It will be our heading main. After that, I'm taking the x lab value x lab values will be mean price, and you can give the name of y lab as well, price, and you can give the column that column color is equal to which type of colors. Color is the combinations of, I want to give like red and green, red comma green. Color name should be given inside the box. So this line is exist, so that's why I'm taking this thing, hit enter, so it will become as here. After that, okay, this is the color. So this is the complete things. After that, run these programs, you'll get the color of like this. So actually there is some things previously I did, so I should have to run this program first, that in graphics whatever that I want to print, I want to print as a one in by one plot, because previously it is I used 2 by 2 section. Now I will use mf row equal to c of 1 comma 1 one row and only one column. I will run this one. After that I will run this program, you will get the whole programs. So you can visualize the data here. So when I'm taking the fourth and fifth column of mean price and price, and I'm plotting the data by using plot functions in R. So to the very good understandings. After that, you should have to note one thing, that in R graphics functions, to need to understand the two things of the graphics, that is one high level graph and one is called low level graph. High level graph you can make only one time. After that you cannot make the changes on the distant graph. And low level graph means you will generate a graph. After that you can add or modify the graph as your recommendation or as you need. Okay, so it is a low level graph. Low level graphs comes under those other things. Suppose you want to make legend, suppose you want to make y val or x lab values you want to add, or if you want to slightly modify to somewhere else, so for that purpose you can modify the graph. So it is great. So let's go and check some of the function that is frequently used in graphics. That first is plot function. So suppose you want to get and help what is plot function is doing, you can do these things, integrations mark then plot. Okay, so it will give the more help. So how the plot function is working, what is the argument, what argument description, and as well as the example. Okay, so plot means here to generating a plot functions, and box plot means a box plot functions. Hist, it will make an histogram diagram. And QQ norm mean it is the name of quantile to quantile plot. And another one is point curve, sorry, curve is it will make one curve only, and lines you know very well, it will make only single line. And AB line mean add a straight line, this form. Segments means to divide. And polygon, polygons means add a closed polygon to your graph, it is mean. And text means you want to add the text, nothing else in the graph. So those are the useful functions that we're frequently using in our programming. When we are using graphics, we should have to remember I told all of these things. Now one by one I will discuss all of these things above. And one things you should have to understand here, that you must call a high level graphs before routine before a low level graphs, neither it will not work. Okay, so this is the things from my sides. I will come to the next video, the next sessions. Hopefully you will understand and enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notification, and subscribe my channels. I need your support for more and more update, and for your support I can generate, or I can upload this type of video. If you need something else, please put your comment in the comment section below, that I can reach to you and I can satisfy your answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.